What's up, YouTube? Subscribe. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace filter on your microwave. Just got this reset error right here, and I also have the 2 filter microwave. So this one. So I'm gonna show you guys how to clean it and reset it. Stay tuned. First thing first, pour some water. Let's put that on. Get it up a little bit. Next, we're gonna take this out. Just gonna slide it out. One last one. Right, take both, put it in something that it can wash it in. Bam. There you go. I usually add film. There you go, right there. Just clean the dirt out pretty good. And of course, do some soap. Why not? Squeeze that in there. Get that hot water. Bam. Just pour it in there. Then let it soak for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. All right. 10 minutes is up. Just take it out of hot water. Both. I personally like to scrub it off. Hold on 1 second. So now these 2 will go back into the microwave. So just slide it back in. Bam. This is the last step. Go for 3 seconds. That's it.
Good job.